Welcome back to Debunking Real Estate Myths. This month, we are uncovering the truth about open houses and their role in selling homes. Open houses have long been a staple in the real estate selling process, offering a way for potential buyers to experience the property firsthand. However, with the evolution of the real estate market and technology, their effectiveness has come into question. Let's assess how open houses fit into today's selling strategy. Today's focus is on the effectiveness of open houses in the modern real estate market. With the rise of digital listings and virtual tours, have traditional open houses maintained their relevance? Let's explore this topic and address the misconception that open houses are universally essential for a successful sale. The advent of digital listings and virtual tours has transformed how buyers discover and experience properties. Buyers can now virtually visit numerous homes from their devices, making the initial search process far more efficient. This shift has impacted the foot traffic and necessity of traditional open houses. However, that's not to say open houses are obsolete. They still offer unique value by allowing potential buyers to experience the home's flow, size, and features in a way that virtual tours might not fully capture. They can also create a sense of urgency and competition among buyers, potentially leading to more immediate and competitive offers. Yet, the belief that open houses are always essential for selling a home quickly or at a higher price is a misconception. The effectiveness of an open house can vary dramatically based on the property type, location, market conditions, and how well the event is marketed and conducted. In today's market, the strategy around open houses should be tailored. For some sellers, an open house might be a valuable tool, especially in a competitive market where homes are selling quickly. For others, especially where buyers prefer private showings or where digital tools are more prevalent, the traditional open house might not be as critical. It's also worth noting the role of your real estate agent in this decision. A skilled agent will understand the local market and buyer preferences, advising whether an open house is a strategic move for your specific situation. They'll also ensure that if you do proceed with an open house, it's conducted safely, professionally, and effectively. In conclusion, while the allure of open houses remain, their role and effectiveness in the selling process has evolved. As a seller, consider your market, property, and personal circumstances, and consult with your agent to decide if an open house is right for you. Thank you for joining us on Debunking Real Estate Myths. As you navigate the selling process, keep informed and adapt strategies to suit today's market conditions. Like, subscribe, and share your open house experiences or questions in the comments. Here's to a successful sale, whether it's through an open door or a digital one.